If you are traveling to Los Angeles and have a passion for gymnastics, there is one place you cannot miss. During my trip, this place caught me like no other. A workout at Muscle Beach, Santa Monica. First of all, don't confuse it with the Muscle Beach Gym 2 blocks north in Venice, where bodybuilders like Arnold Schwarzenegger used to work out. In 1930, the story of the so-called original Muscle Beach began as a free outdoor gym. It should distract people from the great financial crisis, watching circus gymnasts, wrestlers and Hollywood artists performing their stunts right next to the Santa Monica pier. This vibe remained till today, and it became a famous attraction of the LA County.
I'm Charlene Bazinski, and I'm an aerialist for 13 years.
What's up? My name's Rich. About 3.5, 4 years I've been doing the traveling rings. These are called the traveling rings.
First, I wanted to pop by for a quick workout, but the aura of this place kept me. After unlocking my very first handstand push-up, there was no doubt where I would spend the rest of the day, and the day after. For me, the original Muscle Beach portrays the key values of calisthenics, connecting passionate athletes from all over the world under the blue sky, being in harmony with your body, and the free chance for everyone to be a gymnast.